Hello po sa inyo lahat guys, welcome po dito sa ating YouTube channel, Joshel TV. Sa video po natin ngayon, pag-usapan nga po natin si Remotely For You. Hindi pa po familiar kay Remotely For You, pwede nyo po siyang i-search sa Google. Type nyo lang po yung remotelyforyou.com at mariredirect na po kayo sa kanilang website. So nandito na nga po tayo sa kanilang website at ang mababasa po natin, become a chat operator and work from anywhere. So pwede po kayo magtrabaho anywhere in the world. Kung nasa Pilipinas man po kayo o nasa ibang bansa, pwede nyo pong gamitin itong website na ito dahil pwede po siyang gamitin anywhere. So, isa po siyang non-voice at legit po na online job. So, pwede po kayo mag-apply dito at pwede po kayong kumita ng pera as long as nagampanan nyo po yung inyong trabaho po, yung magiging trabaho po ninyo. So, ang sabi nila is become a chat operator and work from anywhere. Do you like to write and are you self-employed? Then you are the person we're looking for. So, kung mahilig po kayo magsulat, actually English po siya, English po yung required dito kasi nga may kipag-chat po kayo sa mga lonely Americans. So, ang magiging trabaho nyo po is parang kakausap po kayo ng marami, ng iba't ibang tao. Actually, anonymous naman kayo, so hindi naman malalaman nila yung inyong character o yung inyong personal information. Actually, anonymous lang yan na makakausap nyo po yung mga Americans, yung mga lonely Americans sa ibang bansa. Then you are the persons we're looking for. So, kung kayo po ay gusto maging self-employed at mahilig kayo magsulat, kayo po yung hinahanap. Kayo po yung candidate sa pagiging chat operator. Yan. Then you are the persons we're looking for. Apply today for a job as a moderator for an online fantasy network. So, ito pong Remotely For You, isa siyang online fantasy network. So, start the application process here. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-apply, ayan, yung color green na may nakasulat na apply na, pwede nyo po yung i-tap. Then, dito sa kanila pang website, ay ito, meron siyang nakalagay na start the application process here. Fill up nyo lang po yung name, yung last name, at saka yung email address. Then, agree nyo lang po yung privacy policy and dapat 18 years old po kayo para ma-accept dito sa kanilang website. Dapat ay 18 years old kayo and above para matanggap po kayo as an online chat operator. Then gagawin nyo lang, kapag nakapag-fill up na po kayo, send nyo lang yung inyong application. Get started in 3 simple steps. Yan, meron silang tatlong simple steps on how to get started in this website. Yan, kung gusto nyo pong mag-apply, ay meron silang tatlong step down ng application. So, easy application, yung number 1. Step 1 is the first part of the application is only asking for your name and email. So, yung first step po ng application, hihingan po kayo ng email. Yung pangalan po ninyo at saka yung inyong email address. Make sure guys na ang ilalagay nyo pong email address dito is yung active, yung ginagamit nyo po sa kasalukuyan kasi i-email nila kayo kung kailan kayo mag-i-start yung inyong training, kung kailan kayo mag-i-start at yung inyong salary. So, we will send you more info about the process once we have confirmed your email. So, yun nga, katulad ng binanggit ko po kanina, dapat ang isasend nyo pong email address sa kanila is yung active na email address. Yung step 2 naman is ID verification. Katulad po ng sinabi ko kanina, dapat 18 years old and above po kayo. Usually, naman talaga yung sa tinatanggap usually sa mga iba't ibang trabaho, dapat 18 years of age na kayo and above. You must be over 18 years of age to be accepted and to receive payments kasi kaya kinukuha nila yung age natin is para mabayaran din tayo sa ating trabaho sa kanila po. We are required by law to conduct a simple ID verification. So sa US, meron silang special law, ang alam ko, hindi po ako nagkakamali, meron silang law na mabayaran po kayo dahil online po ito, purely online. Para mabayaran kayo is kailangan ma-verify po yung ID na kayo ay 18 years old and above. So, yung pangatlo po is online training. Once your application has been approved and you have been verified, you will need to complete the relevant training before you are ready to start. So, kapag nakapagpasa na kayo ng application at approve na po yung inyong application or na-verify na, you will need to complete the relevant training. Yung binanggit ko kanina na magkakaroon po o isasalang nila kayo sa training bago po kayo magsimula. So, what will you be chatting about? What will you be chatting about daw? We help thousands of lonely Americans every day to have a more meaningful everyday life by expressing themselves online with anonymous fantasy characters. Ayan, yun nga. Magpapasaya kayo or kaya ay makikipag-chat po kayo dun sa mga malulungkot na Americans everyday. So, ang alam ko dito is dapat marami po kayong makausap or marami kayong words na maipasa dun sa kausap ninyo kasi words or sentences yung bayad doon sa kasi nga bilang chat operator dun kayo babayaran sa mga sinasabi po ninyo. Our users write only text messages to fictional people fantasy chat platform. So katulad nga nung binanggit ko kanina, purely non-voice po ito, magiging chat operator po kayo, purely po yun. Hindi po kayo tatawag at hindi rin po kayo tatawagan. Your job is to answer them and make conversation. Ganun lang naman yun. Kapag may itatanong po sila sa inyo, sasagutin nyo lang. And then, siguro kailangan maging creative po yung isip ninyo kung ano ba yung magiging topic para sa kanya. Halimbawa, malungkot siya, ano yung mga dahilan nun, at kailangan mag-motivate niyo siya para humaba po yung inyong conversation. You will chat about everything from everyday life. Yan. You will chat about nga everything from everyday life such as sports, or the weather, the dreams, fantasies, and other topics. Open mind is needed. So, kailangan nyo pong maging open-minded kung gusto nyo pong mag-apply dito sa ating website na nire-review po ngayon. So, guys, ito po ay legit. Pwede nyo po itong subukan. As a chat agent, you will, sabi po nila, kailangan po ay 100% anonymous. Text only, no video and no voice. So, kung mag-a-apply po kayo dito, 100% naman na anonymous, so hindi po nila kayo makikilala kung sino po yung kausap sa kabilang linya. Hindi nila kayo makikilala nung kausap po ninyo sa kabilang linya. Text only. Ibig sabihin, ay purely chat nga siya. No video, walang video, at saka walang voice. So, purely chat siya. Work independently and with full flexibility. Ito po yung sinasabi ko na pwede po kayong mag-work independently and with full flexibility. Wala kayo po ang boss. So, pwedeng gawin nyo siya kahit na anong oras na gusto nyo. At yun nga, kasi kung mas maraming oras yung igugulit po ninyo sa pagtatrabaho, mas marami yung bayad. Kasi ang bayaran po yata dito is every yun nga, kung may makakausap kayo dun sa every words na yun, yung kada sentences or every words na i-chat ninyo, yun po yung binibilang itong website. Earn more depending on how often you work. Yan, nasa inyo po yung oras. Help those who need someone to talk. At the same time, makakatulong po kayo na makausap yung mga tao na kailangan makausap. Yan, what is the salary? Ito na po yung pinaka-exciting dito sa usapan natin, guys. Yung salary. What is the salary daw? As a chat operator, you will work as an independent contractor and therefore have full freedom and flexibility to work as much or as little as you want. So, bilang isang chat operator, kayo po ay nagtatrabaho bilang independent contractor. Siguro ang kailangan dito, guys, ay yung tiwala. Ibigay ninyo po yung tiwala na kailangan po nila para yun, mabayaran po kayo ng maayos. You can also work from wherever you want. Pwede po kayong magtrabaho wherever you want kasi nga, as like what I've said, ito po ay work from home. Legit po siya na online job. Chat operator, purely non-voice. As long as you have access to the internet and have a PC or laptop. Importante po, meron kayong internet connection at laptop. There are different ways we reward you. Yan, ito yung mga iba't ibang rewards po na galing po sa kumpanya sa Remotely For You. The basic salary is calculated based on how many messages you reply to. Ito po yung binanggit ko kanina na binabayaran po nila tayo. Halimbawa nag-apply tayo, babayaran nila tayo per messages na nireply natin dun sa ating or dun sa APAMS or dun sa Lonely Americans na kausap po natin. Our rates per message depend on various factors such as time of day, traffic, holidays, and more. Ayan. So, yung bayad po nila per message ay depende sa yung mga factors. Halimbawa, holiday. Yan, holiday siguro mas mataas yung bayad nila sa traffic. Siguro sa mga iba't ibang instances, yung mga special non-working holiday siguro mas mataas din yung bayad na binibigay nila sa mga empleyado. It's hard to say exactly how much the salary will be, but a skilled chat agent who works 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week can easily earn between $100 and $300 weekly. So, kung masipag po kayo, yun lang naman yun, no? Sa ating mga Pinoy, masipag naman tayo. 48 hours a day, kung magtatrabaho tayo ng 4 to 8 hours a day, ay kikita na tayo ng $100 to $300 weekly. So, weekly yun. So, yun guys, malaki na yun. Some of the top agents make more than 3,000 a month. So, kung susumahin yung ibang agent daw, kumikita sila ng $3,000 kada buwan. So, decide your own salary, receive plenty of bonuses, and get paid. So, hindi lang yung salary yung inaasahan natin dito kapag tayo ay nag-apply kay Remotely For You. So, nagbibigay din sila guys ng mga bonuses. Sabi nila, decide your own salary, receive plenty of bonuses, and get paid. Bonuses, ang sabi is, we give our plenty of bonuses. Yan, nagbibigay sila ng maraming bonuses. And have other incentives to add to what you can earn. For example, if you send over a certain numbers of messages, recruit a friend, or work at 8 hours time. So, yun na nga, yung sinasabi ko kanina, kung masipag tayo, is marami din tayong bonus na makukuha. Flexibility. Remotely For You strives in paying its chat operators equal or better than other chat operator services. Moreover, we have the biggest chat volumes to work with, enable you to potential of making a great salary. Ayan. Ang maganda dito guys, kay Remotely For You, weekly, nagpi-payout po sila. Nagbabayad sila guys. We pay weekly. So, ibig sabihin, every week is makaka-receive kayo ng payment sa kanila kung tatrabahuin po ninyo yung trabaho. We pay weekly and the payment is in euro through an online payment service, BitSafe. Ayan. Kung familiar po kayo sa PayPal, para siyang PayPal yung BitSafe. So, usually, ganito po yung ginagamit sa ibang bansa or sa Amerika sa mga ganitong platform. Yung mga online platform na ganito na trabaho po is remote. Usually, through BitSafe, PayPal, yung mga ganon. So, as an independent contractor, you are responsible for your own taxes, pensions, and other legal considerations on your end. So, ang galing nila kasi sinabi na nila dito na bilang isang independent contractor, responsibilidad na po natin yung ating tax kasi babawasan na nila yan dun sa ating salary yung taxes. Yung ating pension, kailangan mag-ipon tayo, and other legal considerations on your end, katulad ng mga benefits na kailangan natin. So, what are the requirements in order for you to be a chat operator? So guys, kung interested kayo, ito na po yung mga requirements. Ito na yung mga requirements ni Remotely For You para mag-apply as a chat operator. So, sabi dito, Master in English or Master English in Writing. Dapat kahit pa paano marunong tayong magsulat ng English. Your written English should be impeccable, especially since you will only be working text-based. So, kahit pa paano, dapat ay tama yung ating message na ipapadala sa ating client. 18 years age limit. You must be over 18 years old. Dapat daw 18 years old and above. We will ask you to prove that you are 18 over 18 years old. This is to be able to pay you as a contractor and to legally let you chat on our platform. So, para maging legal chat operator tayo ng platform nila, dapat daw ay maging 18 years old tayo and above. Yan po yung kasing requirement nila para nila mabayaran tayo or para mabayaran nila tayo sa ating trabaho. So, privacy statement and our contract terms. You must accept our privacy statement and our contract terms. Your privacy and that of the client you chat with have the highest priority. Priority pa rin natin yung yung privacy ng client as a chat operator. Responsibility of your equipment. You are responsible for having the equipment needed to work. So, ang kailangan, kung meron lang din kayong internet at saka meron kayong laptop, pwede nyo to guys subukan. This means you must have access to a device and internet. Qualified na kayo basta meron kayong internet at laptop. Minimum number of messages per week. Send a minimum numbers of messages per week to remain an active operator. So, at least, ma-reach natin yung minimum numbers ng kanilang requirements. Ang messages na requirements nila para may ipadala natin sa ating client para may active tayo na chat operator. Why do we need to see your ID? Kasi diba, sabi nila kanina dito, para mabayaran nila tayo, sigurado nila tayo ay 18 years old and above, ay hihingan nila tayo ng ID. So, check natin bakit nila kailangan ng pakita yung ID natin. According to United States law, we cannot let anyone under the age of 18 work as a contractor with our services. Ayun daw dun sa US or dun sa United States law, ay hindi pwede yung underage na magtrabaho. In addition, we do not have the opportunity to send salary payments through a payment service provider unless we can confirm that we are sending them to the right person. So, kailangan din lang siguraduhin na we are 18 years old and above para mabayaran nila tayo dun sa ating salary. There is only one accepted method of verifying who you are, and that is by providing or proving it through a valid government issued ID such as passport, driver's license, and other ID. So, verify nila yung yung identity natin as halimbawa 18 years old and above. Yung mga ID na ina-accept nila is issued ID such as passport, driver's license, at siguro yung national ID pwede siya. We do not store your data for any reasons other than legal to help you get started as easily as possible. So, itong salary expectation, we pay out salary in a weekly basis. So, ito yung binanggit ko kanina guys na weekly basis sila nagbabayad. Nagbabayad sila weekly ng payment sa atin as a chat operator. So, as an independent contractor, you are responsible for your own tax. Inulit nila na responsibilidad natin yung tax. Kasi may tax talaga yan guys. Tsaka yung pension natin, tsaka yung iba pang benefits. Yan. Week 1, as a new chat operator, you will use some time to learn the system and what you will chat about. So, dapat makapag-chat tayo ng average of 25 to 35 message on average per hour, 15 to 20 total work hours, and mababayaran tayo ng 110 to 170 paid out per week. So, ito lang naman yung requirements nila sa week 1. An average of 25 to 35 messages per hour, 15 to 20 total work hours, and get paid of about 110 to 170. So, sa week 2, with more experience, you get faster at sending messages. You will also be more attentive when it comes to bonuses and incentives. Yan. Kailangan attentive tayo guys dun sa mga bonuses and incentives. Malaking bagay po yun. 35 to 45 messages on average per hour na. So, nag-level up siya kanina 25 to 35. Ngayon, 35 to 45. Kanina, 15 to 20. Ngayon naman, 20 to 30 total work hours. And ang magiging salary na natin is 220 to 280 paid out per week. So, tumaas din siya. Yung magiging salary, kung dati is 110 to 170, ngayon 220 to 280. So, mas mataas na siya. Sa week 4, ang sabi nila, you are now an experienced chat operator and very effective. You write messages fast and you know at what time it's best to work for maximum benefits in terms of bonuses and incentives. So, dapat sa week 4, makapagpadala na tayo ng 45 to 60 messages or an average of per hour to 45 to 60. Then, total works natin is 20 to 40 per week. So, babayaran daw nila tayo ng $340 paid out per week. So, sabi nila, we look forward to helping you get started. You will be chat agent in no time. So, nasa ating mga kamay po yung kapalaran kung tayo ay mag-a-apply, yung ating desisyon. Kung tayo ba ay magpunta sa application, mag-a-apply ba tayo, magsasubmit ba tayo ng application or not. So, to summarize, you must master English in writing. You are going to chat with local native English speakers through their fantasy experience. Want to chat with other local native English speakers. Ayan. So, explore nyo lang guys yung website nila bago kayo mag-apply. So, yun ko lang po. Kung kayo po ay gusto mag-apply, type nyo lang po sa Google Remotely for You. Marami po yan. Ito yung mga experience nila. Dito yung mga experience. Pwede nyo siyang basahin. So, napakahaba guys. Haba masyado yung ating video. Kung babasahin po natin siya isa-isa. Ang overall po nito ay kung gusto nyo mag-apply, punta lang po kayo sa kanilang application at mag-send po kayo ng inyong email address Sundan nyo lang po. Just follow the instruction that yung binigay nila instruction guys. Sundan nyo lang yun. Para makapag-submit po ng application sa kanila, then antayin nyo po yung kanilang response. Kasi mag-response sila once na ma-verify nila yung application. So, ganun lang po. Kung gusto nyo po ng mga ganitong topic, gusto nyo pong ma-notify sa mga susunod nating video, please consider to subscribe my YouTube channel. Paki-bell all nyo po para maging updated po kayo sa lahat ng video pa na ating i-upload. Salamat po sa Diyos.